In this video, we're going to dive into a festive world of Microsoft Excel. Whenever we're creating an Excel spreadsheet from scratch, we should really start with our column headings. After all, it's our column headings that give meaning to the rest of our spreadsheet. We can press the Tab key to move to the next cell to the right. Select the column headings and give them a red background color. Change the font color to white and make it bold. If we select a column, hold down the Control key, select another column, we can change the width of both columns at the same time. Change the width for the other two columns. We've got 6 different people that we'll be buying gifts for, and we want to change the heights of those rows. Select the rows and right-click to change the height. When we start to enter the data, we want it to be an orangey font color. And whilst we have the data area selected, we can create some border lines. But before we choose the type of border, we can decide what color the border lines will be. Then we'll choose all borders, which gives us this grid line effect. And speaking of grid lines, let's switch off the main grid lines for the entire worksheet. On the View tab, click this button here. Now we can enter our first record. And little Johnny is expecting toys for Christmas. This will cost us £50. For the alignment, we want the data to be centered vertically inside each cell. Select the data rows, and this is the button here called Middle Align. Select column C and change it to currency. This gives us the pound sign and 2 decimal places. And we can remove the decimal places using this button here. Enter the next record. In this column, we can add some images for a bit of visual fun. For the first 2 presents, we'll insert emojis using a keyboard shortcut. Hold down the Windows key and tap the full stop period. Do a search for a toy. And this is like inserting a symbol or a special character, which means if we want this emoji to be bigger, we need to increase the font size. And we may as well change the size for both of these cells. And we'll insert another emoji to represent Alex's gift. Enter the rest of our data. For Olivia, we'll see if we can find an online picture. On the Insert tab, click this button here. We need to type something in this search box. And then we can choose and insert an image. Now for James's gift, we can make it a bit more dramatic. We'll do a search for a 3D model. Because this is a 3D model, we can resize and rotate the image to get a different effect. And if the 3D model has some kind of animation going on, we can always pause it. For Sophia, we'll have a look at the stock images that come with Microsoft Office. And for Emilia's gift, we'll do a search for another online picture. So how much is this Christmas shopping really going to cost? We'll need a total row at the bottom. Now we want this cell to have the same formatting as the header row. We can use the format painter. Click on the cell that has the formatting that we like, then click the format painter button. Now when we wave our mouse around, we have a little paintbrush next to our cursor, and any cell that we click on, Excel will copy that formatting to that cell. We can select these two cells, choose to merge the cells, and align them to the right. And in this cell, we just want to add up how much all the Christmas presents are going to cost. Did you know the shortcut key to perform an auto sum? Hold down the Alt key and tap the equal sign. Press Enter to see the result.